Every day, Australian businesses lose customers because they are invisible on Google Maps. Local Rank AI helps you rank higher, attract more local leads, and grow faster using AI. Right now, someone nearby is searching for your service. If you are not in Google's top 3 map results, you are invisible. They will call your competitor instead. Statistics show that 92% of users pick a business from the first page of search results. With over 2.7 million small businesses in Australia, competition is intense. Google Maps has become the modern Yellow Pages, and businesses ranking at the top dominate local inquiries. If you are not winning on Google, you are losing business. Google controls the majority of local search traffic in Australia, and visibility means revenue. The search engine has 88.5% market share in Australia. Local Rank AI is an AI-powered Google business profile strategist built specifically for Australian businesses. It simplifies local SEO and helps you improve rankings without expensive agencies or ads. The system creates AI-written content, helps optimize your profile, and improves local rankings. It only takes around 20 minutes a week to run. No generic agency or Google ads required. Everything runs through 4 simple workflows. Audit your profile, respond to reviews, improve rankings with suburb-targeted posts, and analyze competitors to outrank them. Reviews influence both rankings and customer trust. Review Magic instantly drafts professional, compliant responses to every review, from 1 star to 5 stars. Just review, copy, and paste. This is where consistency compounds. Following the simple weekly system helps businesses steadily build ranking momentum and visibility over time, with typical ranking momentum for local Rank AI users. The math is simple. Most businesses only need 1 or 2 extra jobs over the year to cover the full cost of the system. Everything after that is pure profit. At just $1.63 per day, local Rank AI costs less than a coffee, but works 24/7, helping your business get found online. No expensive agencies or recurring ad spend are needed. 1 extra Google Maps customer per week can mean tens of thousands in extra annual revenue, as seen with this Sydney-based plumber. That is why businesses see this as an investment, not an expense. Local Rank AI was built in Australia for Australian businesses. No generic overseas advice, just suburb-focused strategies that work in the real local market while remaining ACCC compliant. You are getting a complete AI-powered local SEO system, including audits, AI writing, ranking workflows, competitor analysis, and bonuses, valued at over $9,500. Founding members lock in the lower yearly price forever. Once these limited spots are gone, the pricing increases permanently, allowing you to save over $2,000 over the next 10 years. There is virtually no downside. Your best case is that your profile climbs the rankings and you get free leads. Worst case, you try it for 30 days and we will give you a 100% refund. Your competitors are already on Google Maps. The question is whether customers see them first or you. Local Rank AI gives you the tools to outrank, outsmart, and outearn everyone else in your suburb. Start in 60 seconds. Join Local Rank AI today and start building consistent local visibility, more calls, and more customers for your business. Don't let another day of revenue slip away to your competitors. Only 27 spots left. Thanks for watching. Let's get your business ranking higher on Google and winning more local customers. Visit the website and remember, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee.